and welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. Winter session begins. Governor's address silent on contentious issues. Opposition set to rock house on MOI, Defence Expo and coconut controversy. Politicos and activists block Mapsa highway against declassification of coconut tree from purview of trees, demand rollback of decision. Congress MLA Movin Gudino to be pro tem speaker on Tuesday. Election between Anand Sheth and Reginald. Goa set to celebrate first feast of Goa's first Saint Blessed Joseph Vaz at Sakra. Thousands flock for Novina's feast on 16th Jan. And government not interested in hosting national games before assembly election. Functioning of SAG coaches come under scanner. And now the news in detail. The winter session on Monday began amidst active opposition and street protests. Lifeguard and coconut tree issue popped up. Miki Pacheco boycotted governor's address. Miki wore black clothes and did not even respond to governor's arrival in the house. Governor's address, though kicked off winter session, it remained silent on contentious issues like medium of instruction, Lokayukta, Defence Expo, casino and coconut tree status.
In order to safeguard the families affected directly or indirectly, my government had introduced umbrella scheme under which financial relief of rupees 26.45 crore has been disbursed to 6,267 truck owners engaged in mining operations in the affected areas during April to December 2015. Under the scheme, financial relief of an amount of rupees 8.27 crore has been provided to 1,799 beneficiaries who lost their livelihood due to closure of mining.
This is how Nueva MLA Miki Pacheco boycotted governor.
When I was in the prison, I made my petition to the governor asking for settlement, whatever. But I'm supposed to get a reply back, the negative or positive, whatever. I never got a reply. See, I'm an elected representative. I'm not appointed. Okay, so I deserve some respect. And I was expecting she should send a return, whatever it is, maybe negative or positive. I never received that. Therefore, I said, okay, this lady doesn't know how to respect. It's all about.
Laukik Shilkar and Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Politicos and activists held Chipko movement and blocked the Mapsa-Giri highway on Monday morning against the declassifying coconut tree as tree. Revert this decision or movement will shift to Amday Sangye, where agro project is proposed by cutting number of coconut trees. Vijay Sardesai warned the government. Forest Minister later clarified that the coconut tree has been placed in the category of dangerous trees. If one has to cut it for safety reasons, rules will have to be followed.
Independent MLA Naresh Sawal, Rohan Khauti and Vijay Sardesai along with Alex Reginald, other politicos, activists and chunk of supporters blocked the Mapsa-Giri highway in protest against declassification of coconut trees. MLAs demand rollback of decision by the end of winter session.
सरकारान जे डिसिजन घेतला हे गोंयचे जनतेचे विरोधी आहा. हे डिसिजन तांणी रिसिंड करूंक जाय. असेंब्ली सेशन सोंपा म्हणसर जर ते करनात जाल्यार हो चिपको मुवमेंट जो गोंयचो चिपको मुवमेंट हांगाच्यान सुरवात जाला तो आमी सांग्यार पयलीं व्हरतले वाणी हें करूं म्हणटा थंय आमडाय सांगे जंय 800 माड मारून एक बियर फॅक्टरी येवपाची आहा जाका एप्रुवल सरकारान दिल्लें आहा ज्याच्या खातीरूच हो कायदो चेंज केल्लो.
MLA Naresh Sawal doubts government's intention.
हे गोयचे सरकार इतले दृष्टीहीन जाला की माडाक गवत म्हणपाक लागले. हांव नकळो गोंयान ते कितें हाडपाक सोदता आनी कितें करपाक सोदता. माडाक हात लावच्या पयलीं तांकां मुळा सकट उपटून काडपाची गरज आसा.
Chipko movement held up traffic for a long time. Later, Deputy Collector and police rushed to the site to appeal the agitating crowd and clear the traffic blockade. Following Kharzuekar's assurance to take up the matter to the collector, crowd cleared the highway.
I will bring the notice of my collector.
You have to get it to the police.
Forest Minister later clarified government stand, saying the coconut tree has been placed in the category of dangerous trees and it is no longer considered as palm tree. If one has to cut coconut tree for safety reasons, the norms should be followed.
म्हज्या जागेन जर आसत जाल्यार परमिशन घेवपाची गरज ना. पण म्हज्या जागेन आशिल्ल्या झाडाचो हाका जर त्रास जाता आनी तो येवन म्हाका सांगता अरे तुझे सगळे माड तुजो आसा पण तुजे सगळे कचरो बिचरो किंवा नाल बील म्हज्या घराचेर पडटात तेन्ना ते कापून उडय. हांवें आयकलें ताजें बरें आसा आनी हांव कापून उडोवंक शकता विदावट टेकिंग परमिशन. जर तो सांगता तें हांवें आयकूंक ना जाल्यार ही कॅन अप्रोच द ट्री ऑफिसर ऑर डेप्युटी कलेक्टर एंड आस्क हिम टू डायरेक्ट मी टू कट इट.
अदरवाइज डायरेक्टली कट करपाक शकता तो.
हय.
दिस वाज नॉट देयर बिफोर.
दिस वाज नॉट डिसायडेड.
दॅट इज ऑल्सो कंडिशन की तेणे आनी एक माड
लावपाक जाय. हें करपाक जाय ताण्या. दॅट वी वील फॉलो. की कोकोनट प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट म्हणून आसा आनी तो कोकोनट प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट म्हणजे ताजो हांगा गरज आसा जाल्यार विचारूय करुया आमी. ताजी गरज आसा जाल्यार विचार करपाक जाता.
Bureau Report Prudent.
Daboli Congress MLA Momin Gudino would be the pro tem speaker on Tuesday. A speaker's election will be held on Tuesday. Anand Sheth from ruling BJP-MGP coalition and Congress MLA Alex Reginald, the opposition alliance candidate, filed their nomination. Anand Sheth resigned from the post of deputy speaker on Monday.
फाल्या सभागृहाच्या कामकाजाप्रमाणे फाल्या विधानसभेच्या सभापती पदाची निवडणूक जावपाची आसा आणि भारतीय जनता पार्टी विधिमंडळ गटान आमच्या नावाचो पुरस्कार म्हणजे आमची उमेदवारी थंय जाहीर केल्ली आसा.
ऑपोजिशन लिडरांनी डिसिजन घेयलें की अलॉंग विथ द मेंबर्स की हांवें फायल करचें. सो आय फायल माय नॉमिनेशन्स एंड tomorrow is elections, so we'll see what happens.
Okay, and deputy speaker couldn't contest.
Deputy speaker will be afterwards, no? You cannot file it together. Deputy speaker account करता we have not taken a decision as yet.
Okay. And तुमच्या बरोबर independent बी सगळे.
Yeah, independents are with us. So let's wait and watch.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.